Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Alpine Longhorn Beetle. So you're just going to go to the forest island, and as you can see, I'm here, and you'll see it flying around this area. Here's where it is on the map, by the way. It's where the truffles are, and you'll see this blue creature here. And if you can't find it, they're usually on trees as well. So if you can't find it, they're on like the tree trunks. But yeah, that's how you can get the Alpine Longhorn Beetle. You also have to be level 5 or 4. Okay, level 5 of insect catching to be able to get it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Here is what the beetle looks like. Let me just get it out of my inventory. Like this, super cute. It's just like the blue version of the one that we see around the map. Also, I want to mention that it's only out when the weather is a rainbow, so yeah. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.